Welcome to this tutorial on the word ladder problem. This is a classic coding challenge that tests your understanding of graph algorithms, specifically breadth-first search, or BFS. We will learn how to find the shortest transformation sequence from one word to another. Let's define the problem. You are given a beginWord, an endWord, and a dictionary list of valid words. Your goal is to transform the beginWord into the endWord. The catch is that you want to find the shortest possible sequence of transformations and return the number of words in that sequence. There are strict rules for how you can transform words. First, you can only change exactly one letter at a time. Second, every intermediate word you create must exist in the provided dictionary. If you cannot reach the endWord, the answer should be 0. The best way to solve this is to visualize it as a graph. Think of every valid word in the dictionary as a node. An edge connects two nodes if they differ by exactly one letter. This transforms the problem into finding the shortest path between two nodes in an unweighted graph. Why do we use breadth-first search instead of depth-first search? DFS goes deep into one path and might find a solution, but it doesn't guarantee the shortest one first. BFS explores layer by layer, visiting all neighbors at distance 1, then distance 2, and so on. This guarantees that the first time we reach the target, it is via the shortest path. To implement this, we need 3 things. First, a queue to store the current word and the number of steps taken so far. We initialize it with the beginWord. Second, we convert the dictionary list into a set for fast, constant time lookups. Third, we track visited words to avoid cycles and redundant processing. For each word we pull from the queue, we need to find its neighbors. We can do this by taking the word, like hit, and trying to change each character from A through Z. For example, changing I to O gives us hot. We check if hot is in our dictionary. If it is, and we haven't visited it yet, it's a valid neighbor. Here is how the algorithm flows level by level. We start at level 1 with hit. We change one letter to find level 2, which is hot. From hot, we find dot and lot for level 3. We continue expanding outward until we find our target word, cog, at level 5. The answer is 5. Let's look at the complexity. If m is the length of a word and n is the number of words, the time complexity is roughly O of m squared times, and this is because for every word, we iterate through its m characters, and for each character, we do string operations that take O of m time. Space complexity is O of m times n to store the queue and visited set. To summarize, the word ladder problem is solved by modeling words as nodes in a graph. We use breadth-first search to explore this graph layer by layer, ensuring we find the shortest transformation path. Remember to use a set for efficient dictionary lookups to keep your solution fast.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.